Introducing the all-new 2025 Ford Kuga ST. This sleek and stylish MPV in grey is equipped with a powerful 2.5-litre petrol, plug-in, hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission for a smooth driving experience. The STLine trim offers top-notch comfort and convenience features like adjustable seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and more. Plus, stay safe on the road with security and safety features such as anti-collision system, speed limiter, and multiple airbags. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.